High grade 6th Egyptian syllabus. Today I will make a review for your November test. On the review, it will be in Unit 3 and Unit 4. So I classified, or I divided the review into two parts. Here is part 1, that is Unit 3. Next video I will review Unit 4. But before I will go to our video today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our review today. Our review today is from your assignment book. The book is the additional book that we took it with textbook. Let's go to answer the question in this book. Okay, I would like to say something, that the assignment book is important because the exam comes from this book. You must take care and to answer it and study it very well. Okay. Here we have this unit is talking about community builders, and as we know, during this unit we learn how to volunteer our community and how to help our community, and we know the ways that we used to volunteer our community. Let's read the text and answer the questions related to this unit. This is a text. We have a text and we have a questions below the text. I would like to say something in grade 6, as we told before, that when we answer the comprehension, we must take care when you answer. Why? Because we have something is beyond meaning. So we must read the text very well to answer the questions. Okay, let's read this text and answer the questions below. Children are the men and women of the future. We should begin with good children. We should give children good food, good health, good education. So this is the ways that we must follow to help the children to grow well. Okay, they should be given the chance to practice exercises and sport to build their bodies. We should teach them. So here we have the pronoun them, as we know, as underlined. So we must read very well to know that what this word refers to. Okay, so this is what I say to you, that we must take care when you answer the comprehension, because it's important to know every word in this text, and we have to understand it very well to answer the question. How to love, give, and help. We should set the examples of our children in what we say and what we do. Children need good food, good education, good health, all of this. Of course, all of this, as we know from the text. The underlined them refers to what here? Refers to children. You have here something wrong here. So it will be here refers to children, and here we repeat the women 3 times. So here we have children, and this is wrong. Okay. Let's go to answer the question below. Why we should care about children? Because the children, they are what? They are men and women of the future. What do the children need? Need good food, good health, good education, exercise, and support and sport. Let's do the second activity. A space brings food to package to places. As we know during this unit, who gives us the packages of food? The delivery person. Water resources, space, doctors, teachers, doctors, engineers, farmers, make sure people get clean water. It will be here water resources, engineers, as we know during the lesson. Mechanics fix what? Fix visuals. The traffic officer helps people what? The road cross your clever pupils. The space helps patients to help patients in emergencies. So who helps patients in emergencies? The paramedic. Okay, the one who drive the ambulance to arrive the patients to the hospital. Okay, I will leave this text to do it by yourself. Answer 1. I leave the second one to think and write and do it by yourself. Here we have the second question, which is the kind of question. It will be subject. It will be here rearranged. It will be must be subject, verb, object. So we must write this rule to answer this question. Okay, so when we answer this question, I search about the subject, then the verb, then the object. Some of you saying, Miss Iman, is it in all sentences? Yes, in all sentences, but when we make a question form, I replace what? I replace the verb instead of subject. And as well as I explained before in the videos, this rule that when we make a question, we must replace the verb instead of subject. Let's do this exercise together. Play, we outside can tense. So I would like to know that we must start by the subject and we must know the subject. Sometimes we can't underline the subject, so we must know the subject. The subject can be what and what. As we know before in the previous years, we know that the subject can be noun and can be pronoun. When we say, for example, I will give you an example for subject, noun and pronoun. We can say Mona and replace Mona by she, or can say Ahmad and replace Ahmad by he, or can replace Kate by it. So all this is the kind of noun and this is the kind of subject pronoun. Let's do this exercise together. Here we say we can play, where is the verb? Can play tennis outside. The next one, it will be here. Speak well, Hassan's English able to. So Hassan's able, it will be Hassan's able to speak English very well. So next one, she is able to draw beautifully. Okay, this is the subject where the verb is able to. And I think that we explained in this lesson, when we talk about able to, we must have verb to be before able to, like am, is, are. So when we use able to, we must have the verb to be am, is, are, as we know during the lesson. So the answer, it will be she's able to draw beautifully. Okay, and beautifully here is what is adverb. Okay, it means what? It means that the adverb describing the verb. Okay, let's go to another one here. We space walk to school. It will be here we can't. I'm able to run. Space here is I replace can't by can, because here we have the question, yes, no question, and I replace can't by can. Here it will be are. Here is have able to, and I use verb to be are. Let's go to another one here. Here is a paragraph. Let's read it together. Here's talking about what? About the healthy food. Here is the words that guide you to answer in the exam. Fresh food, water, fruit, vitamins, vegetables, and plenty of proteins. Here is what it say. Healthy food is very important for our bodies. We should eat fresh food every day. Vegetables and fruits give us. So here vegetables and fruit is plural, so don't put S to the verb. Give us vitamins and keep us strong. Drinking clean water is also important. Proteins like fish, like meat, and beans help our muscles grow. Eating healthy food makes us active and happy. Let's go to another item here. Here we have the paragraph. Here is we have also a passage. Let's read it together and answer the questions below. The sandwich has a long history. So here we talk about the history of sandwich and what this name comes from. So I would like to read this text to know more about this topic. The sandwich has a long history. In 1750, John Montagu invented. You can say, Miss Iman, we have here misprinting. We're writing John in capital small letter. As we know that the names of person must be written in capital letter. We have here mistake. J here must be written in capital letter. I know that you are correct. So here we have a mistake here. John here must be written in capital letter. John Montagu invented the sandwich. He used bread and meat for the first sandwich. He liked to eat sandwich and play cards. I think all of us know cards. We don't play cards, and most of us know it. The sandwich is now one of the Americans' favorite foods. In the United States, there is a sandwich shop in every town, and you can buy sandwiches at every grocery store. So John Montagu used bread and space for the first sandwich. It will be here used what? Here used meat. The next one, he liked to eat a sandwich and play. It will be here play cards. Let's go to another one. When did Don Mentigo invented the sandwich? Here I ask about the year. It will be here 1750. Where can you buy a sandwich? From what? From grocery store, at the grocery store. Let's go to another one here. I will leave this one to do it by yourself. Let's do this. Let's go to this paragraph. Here is we talk about the. Here is this paragraph is talk about the school and how the school played an important role in our life, and how to learn more, to learn everything, to learn morals, to learn education, to learn lessons, to learn everything. Okay, so let's go to another to this to read these steps. The school plays an important role in education. At school, students learn good morals such as honesty, respect, and good behavior. Teachers guide us. Teachers guide us to be better people in society. We also study different subjects like English, math, and science. The school helps us prepare for a bright future. So I will leave this one to do it by yourself, okay? Have many comprehensions, and I think this is comprehension. You can do it by yourself. It's not difficult to do it. Okay, I answer one, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself, because I don't want to make the video longer. Here is the kind of the paragraph, but here not a paragraph, not a text paragraph. It's called an email. So how I write an email? We have here from. So here in the exam, we have the email from your email and your friend email. Okay, so you can't use any emails out of your paper. Okay, because it's assigned in your paper, and we will go to correct separately. Okay, so must avoid this by saying what we have: the email of you and the email of your friend to answer in the exam. Okay, from Fulan, from someone, sorry, not friend, from someone, which is someone, Ali@yahoo.com. So this email from Ali@yahoo.com to what? To Mustafa@yahoo.com. So this is from Ali, and this is my friend Mustafa. Hi Mustafa, I hope you are well. Yesterday, I visited the Egyptian Museum. Mustafa, so Ali talked to Mustafa here talk to Ali and saying about his visit to the Egyptian Museum. Hi Mustafa, I hope so. Here Ali invite Mustafa to visit the Egyptian Museum. I hope you are well. Yesterday, I visited, so Ali talked to Mustafa that he visited what? He visited Egyptian Museum in Cairo. It was amazing. I saw many artifacts from ancient Egypt, including jewelry, tools, and mummies. I learned a lot about our history. I wish you had been with me, your friend Ali. Let's do this exercise together. It's the review on the whole unit. Here we say, I went to space to send a letter. To send a letter, I go to what? I go to post office. Clean the room by what? By myself. Clean the room by yourself. Next one. My favorite space is sport. It will be my favorite what? Sport. So football is sport. When we say favorite, when we say hobby, when we say read, it's favorite hobby. When we say football, it will be the favorite sport. I'm space in watching films. I'm interested. So here is the adjective id, must adding ed, because refers to what? The emotion of a person. Space, are you doing now? So I ask someone about something doing now. I saying what? The expressions that we use to ask about something that we know, that we do now. Say, what are you doing now? Let's go to the text, so comprehension text here. Hani has an ice cream shop in Cairo. He always walks to eat. He opens 6 days a week. He never opens on Fridays. So Hani has an ice cream shop, and this shop, as we know during when we read the rest of the text, we know that this shop is have we can say a special it will be in special place, because we have tourists that can buy from him. Let's read this text and know more about it. Hani has an ice cream shop in Cairo. He always walks to eat. He opens 6 days. He never opens on Fridays. So his holiday to be what? In Fridays. He walks the ice cream by himself. There are a lot of flavors. There are a lot of flavors in his shop. Most people like vanilla and chocolate ice cream, vanilla and chocolate ice cream. There is a museum across from his shop. So many tourists buy ice cream from his shop. So Hani goes to his shop, what? On food. This one. So when saying walk here, so when I say he walks to eat, so this means what? Walks means on food. Okay, so this without thinking. So this is the way that I would like to know that we must understand that the text very well, because we have something is beyond meaning. When you say walks, I don't say on food. So here we say here when you say walks, so I can know that is on food. Okay, so we must understand when we answering the questions. Hani doesn't open the shop on Friday. Let's go to another one here. Where is Hani's shop? In Cairo. Why do tourists buy ice cream from his shop? There is a museum, so because this why, because his shop is near the museum. So the tourists go to this shop to buy an ice cream from Hani, because there is a museum across from his shop. Let's go to the let's go to the last part here, which is the paragraph about your family. So here we talk about your my family. I talk about it. Do this question together. My family is very important to me. It has 5 persons. No, can't say it has. I say I have, not it has. It's a mistake here. I have 5 persons in my family. My mother, my brother. It will be here. We have a mistake here. It will be I have, not it has. I have 5 persons in my family. My father, my mother, and my brother, my sister, and me. My father works hard to make us happy. We spend time together every day. I feel safe and happy when I am with my family. So this is a paragraph here. Let's go to next question, which is punctuate. We must take care when we make this question. And as we told you before, that we underline the letters that we must be corrected. Here we have did. Can I write did like this? No. Why? Because here did must be written in capital letter. Here like this, and say did Hani play football, and we must here question mark here. Okay, so here we say yes, there is a pig in Aswan. Aswan must be written in what? In capital letter. So I underline the A to correct it. Okay. So here we in this video I review unit 3. Next class I will review unit 4. This is the exam of November, of your exam in November test. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.